high leverage hack to create an ultra realistic, ultra consistent, high quality Lora model simply just by copying someone else's. So you can do this a few ways, but one of the ways is you can go to a website called civitai.com. You'll find a Lora model that you want to copy. So in this case, I would search for a guy called Rocio AI. He certainly knows what he's doing. Then you'll click on the Lora model and you'll simply download it to your computer by clicking on this button. Then once it's downloaded, you're going to go to a website called lorainspector.rocker.boo. And then once you've gone to that website, you will simply upload the Lora model by clicking on this link, selecting the Lora model that you just downloaded. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all of the metadata related to that Lora model, including all of the tags associated with it, which will tell you all of the different training images they used to train the Lora model, which is a major component of the Lora model quality. Shit training images, shit Lora model. And then aside from that, you will also see all the parameters. Note that the parameters do match with the number of training images used in the training image dataset. So you cannot simply just use the exact same parameters and then a different number of training images in the training image dataset. It will not work. These are specifically used for that same number. So you'll see in this training image dataset, 182 images were used, which means that the parameters here are for use with a training image dataset consisting of 182 images. Now, once you have access to all this information, you'll simply copy and paste it into the TOML file, which we created during the Lora model training method that I showed you in another YouTube video. I'll link it below. Otherwise, you can simply just download the guide below. It will show you how to compile your own training image dataset, and then it will show you exactly how to train a Lora model using the method that I have just alluded to, all completely free within the guide. So you simply download the guide below, then you'll download the Lora model that you want to replicate, and you'll simply copy and paste these parameters into the relevant section of the TOML file within this Lora model training method that I have shown you. And then once you have done all that, you will end up with a Lora model exactly like the one that we downloaded, except it will be your own AI model and it will be the same high quality. And then once you've done all that, you simply create the fan view, create some Reddit profiles, and then you start printing. And that's it. Now, if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.